Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to explain lesson number 5, Raki Matraye from the 6th standard. Okay. So, first type, Rev, Su plus Rev plus Ya, Surya, Sa plus Raki Matra plus Pa, Sarpa. Okay. Next, Karm. Karma means work. Okay. Next, marma. Marma means plan. Karya means also work. Marg, way or road. Vyartha means waste. Tarka means discuss. Next, Karch. Karch means spend. Darshan, name. Adarsh, also name. Okay, name of a boy. Dharmik means custom. Darpan means mirror. Arjun also name of a boy. Garva means proud. Parn. Next, Parvat means mountain. Dhairya means brave. Sarg means swarga. That means heaven. And Vartani. Vartani means behavior. Next, Vyarth mein kharch mat karo. We should not spend your money for the waste things. Marg par kachra mat fenko. We should not throw the dust on the road. Okay, na? Next, Sarp ped par chad gaya. Sarp means snake is climb on the tree. Next, Adarsh और दर्शन दोनों भाई है. Adarsh and Darshan two also brothers. Next one is second type, Padel. See, this is called Padel. This also Raki Matra only. Sa plus M plus Ra plus Tha. Samrat. Va plus Ja plus Ra. Vajra. Okay, next. Kram. Kram means cereal. Okay, her one by one. Next, Brahma means Brahma means ಊಹೆ ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೇಮ್. ಪ್ರೇಮ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಲವ್. ಚಕ್ರ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವೀಲ್. ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಗೆಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಉಮ್ರ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಏಜ್. ಸಬ್ರ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮಲ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಥಮ್. ಪ್ರಥಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಥಮ್. ಪ್ರಥಮ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಪ್ರಸಾದ್. Prasad means announce. Prasad is name of a boy. Prakat means we should say. And Prakash. Prakash is the name. And Prayog. Prayog means experiment. Pranam means salute. Prakar means type. Prabhav means Prabhav. Prabhav means effect. Praveen. Praveen is the name of a boy. Pramod also name of a boy. बड़ों को प्रणाम करो. We should salute for the elders. मित्रों के साथ प्रेम से बात करो. We should talk with the politely with love with our friends. कक्षा में क्रम से बैठो. In a class we should sit properly. And वज्र बहुत महंगा होता है. वज्र means diamond is very costly. Next page. Padin. Okay, this is also Raki Matra only. T plus R plus K, truck. T plus R plus Ma, drum. Train, driver, metro. This all you know na meanings. Next, drama. Ushtra means camel. Rashtra means country. Danstra means ja. Okay na, ja. Rashtra means ja. That means one instrument. Then my train से Mysore जाता हूँ. I will go the Mysore by the train. I will go to Mysore by the train. राघव drum बजाता है. Raghav will bang a drum or play a drum. ट्रक में सामान भरा हुआ है. On the truck full of things filled. राष्ट्र की सेवा करो. We should serve for the country. सुकन्या ने आज ड्रामा देखा. सुकन्या saw the drama today. आज means today. Okay, this is the 5th lesson. Thank you.